Hello guys, I'm Salah. Today I will show you how to make a game. I'll show you first the game. After that, I will coding it with you guys. This is the game. I want to be fast. Second, guys. This is the game. I will show you it with you in a second. This is the game. Now I will coding with you. First, this I get it from my mister. It's give it for me. It's not from scratch. Now I'll make the code of the game. We will first make scratch one so small. After that, we will make it go up and down, and we will coding in the scratch one. We click on it and start coding. I start coding from this. First, we'll go event and take number 2 and make it like that. After that, we will take from first block this, move 10 steps and put it here. After that, we will take from control if in scratch mean if كذا كذا happen كذا كذا. Okay. If after that inside if we will take move 10 steps, and on this we'll go in sensing and take number 2. 1 second. And click here and click here and go here. This color we will take. This color in all it. We will make it on all. Also here, guys, but this, like you see, it's this and this and this and this. Now we want it to first to play. When we touch the color blue of this, I'll show you this color. When we touch this color, we want it to go number 2. Screen number 2. I'll show you screen number 2. What is it? Screen number 2. This is screen number 2. It will say for me game over. But screen number 1 is this. So, where is screen number 1? This screen number 1. We will we will take from event forever, and we will take this block from here, no, from here, this block, but we want number 1. Put it here and number 2 here inside F, and put this block from first blocks. This. Go to X minus 191, Y, 2 vertical points, 18. We'll put it here, and this we'll put it not in. We can put it in any one, but I make it here or here, no problem in any one. So this is what I have today. So I will make the game fast. 1 second. Okay. Okay. Like to see, she said for me, game over.